they sleeping?
Yes, they are sleeping.
Oh, okay.
Tonight, yes. 4 rounds. It's solid.
Really?
Yes.
I sure.
Oh, yes, why not? Junior.
Junior, come and sleep. Why? What is wrong with you? You can't sleep.
Yes.
Why?
What are you doing?
Junior. What? I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning this thing. What is it?
Junior, go and sleep.
I don't sleep.
What is wrong with your eye?
I don't sleep.
It's paining you.
Yes.
Sorry, okay? Okay? Let's go and sleep. You
Go and
sleep,
sleep.
okay?
I love you, okay?
Just lie down. Quietly, you sleep, okay? Let's go.
Good boy. Junior, I love you. Good night. Baby.
Yeah. Hey, this case.
That was too close.
Too close. Hey. I believe he's sleeping now.
I sure. Okay.
Let's continue.
Daddy. What TV? I can't see.
Come.
Junior. Are you not sleeping?
Hey, Junior, why? What is it
Why
again,
is
Junior?
so penny? What?
What were you doing? What is that?
Huh?
What were you doing
Hey,
We are not doing anything.
Junior, we were doing exercise.
at this time?
Junior.
Yes.
Were you fighting?
What? No, we were not
We're
fighting.
not fighting.
We were doing exercise.
I saw you.
What did you see, Junior?
I saw you on morning.
You saw me. We were doing exercise.
And what are you doing in mommy's leg?
I don't want peace.
Mommy's
I want
leg is.
problems always.
Junior, my leg is paining me. My leg is paining me.
Mommy's leg is spinning.
Let me see.
That's my leg.
Sorry.
So, Junior, why? You still can't sleep?
Yes.
Oh, Junior, you have to sleep. Where is Shani and Jaden?
They are sleeping.
So why can't you sleep?
Not sleeping.
You want to watch?
TV at this time. Tomorrow you go to school.
You are looking for my
You
trouble.
go to school, okay?
You are looking for my
Come to sleep,
trouble.
okay?
Go and sleep. Junior, go and sleep.
Okay. When you go, you say our Father. Then you sleep, okay? Let's go.
Go and sleep, Junior. I love you. I'll buy you biscuits, okay? Love you. Hey.
That was close.
He nearly caught us.
Babe, you know what?
We just have to do it another time
Babe,
because of the way the kids are behaving.
babe, I'm in the mood.
This man.
Are you sure?
Yes, just quick.
They will come.
No, he will not come again. He will not come. Junior, what is it again?
Junior.
You still can't sleep?
Yes.
Eh?
You are hungry.
Hungry? At this time?
God have mercy upon us.
Do you want biscuits?
No.
Do you want tea?
Okay. Ice cream?
No.
So what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Fufu.
At this time.
My friend, let's go. Let's go.
Safe. This kid.
I have to leave this country. Done. I will look for international passport. I need to go.
Oh my God.